Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the garbled text after OCR in iLovePDF. Now, the garbled text resulting after using the OCR is an extremely common issue. The OCR or optical character recognition converts scanned documents into an editable text. And if your OCR results contain incorrect words, strange characters, missing letters, or unreadable text, the scan quality is often the problem. So first, you're going to have to use a high quality or high resolution scan. Try to use a better camera and avoid the blurry images. Also, you're going to have to make sure the document is well read. So, next you're going to choose the correct language before starting an OCR. For example, to access the OCR tool, you're going to have to go to the Optimize PDF section. From here, you're going to choose the OCR tool. Here you're going to select the PDF file you want. For example, you're going to select any PDF file you want. And then you're going to make sure to upload it and work the OCR through it. Now, many users accidentally select the wrong language, causing poor recognition results. Another huge tip is cleaning documents before scanning by straightening pages, removing shadows, and increasing contrast. You should also review the OCR output manually because no OCR system is perfect. Finally, cleaner or more accurate scans lead to dramatically better OCR results. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the garbled text after OCR in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.